this simple and elegant baby vest dress. The crochet method is very simple. The entire piece is crocheted using double crochet stitches. There are no complex stitches involved. Even beginners can easily crochet. The yarn used is Susu Gigio Morandi, No 8, with a 6.0mm crochet hook. First, make a foundation chain for the edge. After finishing the foundation chain, crochet 5 chain stitches. Return to the first chain stitch. Slip stitch into the first chain stitch. This forms a small ring. This will serve as the buttonhole. Next, crochet 59 chain stitches. After finishing 59 chain stitches, return to the third to last chain stitch. Yarn over the top loop of the chain stitch and crochet a double crochet stitch into it. Continue in sequence. Crochet 1 double crochet stitch into each chain stitch, a total of 57 double crochet stitches. "57 stitches. Complete. This finishes the first row. For the second row, first crochet 2 chain stitches to 2. In the first and second stitches, crochet 1 double crochet each. In the third stitch, increase by 1 stitch. Crochet 2 double crochet stitches into the third stitch. Then, increase 1 stitch every 2 stitches. Repeat the sequence. A total of 19 stitches. Increase crochet a total of 76 double crochet stitches. End of the second row. For the third row, first crochet 2 chain stitches to 2. Crochet 3 double crochet stitches in order. In the next stitch, increase by 1 stitch. Crochet 2 double crochet stitches. For this row, increase 1 stitch every 3 stitches. Repeat the sequence. A total of 19 stitches. Increase crochet a total of 95 double crochet stitches. End of the third row. Next, join the ends together. In the first double crochet stitch, slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. For the fourth round, first crochet 2 chain stitches. Turn the work. First, crochet for double crochet stitches in sequence. End of 4 stitches. In the next stitch, increase by 1 stitch. Crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Increase 1 stitch every 4 stitches. Repeat the sequence. A total of 19 stitches. Increase after finishing. There will be a total of 114 double crochet stitches. End of the fourth round. Slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. In the first double crochet stitch. For the fifth round, first crochet 2 chain stitches. Turn the work. Crochet 15 double crochet stitches in sequence. "15 stitches complete. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Next, leave the sleeve opening. Skip 27 stitches. Start from the 28th stitch. Crochet 30 double crochet stitches in sequence. "30 stitches complete. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Next, leave the other sleeve opening. Skip 27 stitches again. In the 28th stitch, crochet 15 double crochet stitches in sequence. End of the 5th round. For the 6th round, first crochet 2 chain stitches to 2. Crochet 15 double crochet stitches in sequence. "15 stitches complete. In the space of the next chain stitch, crochet for double crochet stitches. In the following stitches, crochet 1 double crochet per stitch, a total of 30 double crochet stitches. In the next chain space, crochet 4 double crochet stitches. In the remaining 15 stitches, crochet 1 double crochet each. After finishing this round, there will be a total of 68 double crochet stitches. End of the 6th round. For the 7th round, first crochet 3 chain stitches. These 3 chain stitches count as 1 double crochet stitch. Turn the work. In the first stitch, crochet 1 double crochet stitch. 1 chain stitch. In the same stitch, crochet 2 double crochet stitches. This completes the first flower pattern. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, crochet 2 double crochet stitches. 1 chain stitch. In the same stitch, crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Continue repeating the flower pattern. A total of 34 flower patterns. End of the 7th round. Finally, slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch from the beginning. Crochet a slip stitch. In the space of the next chain stitch, crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet the 8th round. First, crochet 3 chain stitches, which count as 1 double crochet. Then crochet 2 double crochet stitches into the space of the chain stitches. 1 chain stitch. In the same space, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. This completes the pattern. 3 double crochet stitches form 1 pattern group. Repeat this pattern in each chain space from the previous round. Repeat the flower pattern for 34 groups. A total of 34 flower patterns crocheted. End of the 8th round. Finally, crochet a slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch from the beginning. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch. Next, in the 1st, 2nd, and the chain spaces, crochet a slip stitch in each. Pull the yarn through the space. Now, for the 9th round, repeat the same method as the 8th round. Continue crocheting until the 20th round. After finishing the 20th round, cut the yarn and hide the loose ends. Once the main body is complete, sew a button at the back of the neckline. On the front of the skirt, attach your favorite decorative patches. Now, this simple, elegant baby vest dress is finished. See you next time!